Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create "What if we were married" in the 1980s trend video on TikTok. So if you want to see yourself married in the 1980s and you want to see how you guys look, then let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you need TikTok and you need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store, so go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Now you want to go ahead and search for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Tap on Users. Go ahead and visit this profile here. Now watch till the end of this video as you will see the template appear right here on my profile page. For now, I'll just grab it from my favorites and I'll use the template which I've found, which is this. What if we got married in the 1980s? Now once you see it, you need to go ahead and tap on Capcut Wedding AI, which will be just above the username. So go ahead and tap on that. This will show you the template which you're going to use. Tap on Use Template in Capcut. Now this will show you the template again. So go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now go ahead and take a picture of yourself and your other half. Then tap on Next. Now give it some time and it'll apply the AI effect on it. And now it has processed your image and it'll show you what you guys look like in the 1980s if you were to be married. So once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Tap on Save and Share to TikTok. Now this is what it looks like. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Next. Add your tags or any captions and then tap on Post. And now that has been posted. So for those of you who is finding this template, you need to go ahead and visit this profile here, Test the Simple Dad on TikTok. Go to the video page and here you'll see the template. Tap on it and just above my username you'll see Capcut Wedding AI, which looks like this. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll be able to use the template. So there you go guys, that is how to create "What if we were married" in the 1980s trend video on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.